since I took over the wheel, we've caught him every cast except one.
Check this fish out here. How cool is that?
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Look at this little perch. What a beautiful little perch. Look at that guy.
I've never seen a fish like that before.
How beautiful. He's going to go back in the water.
He's pretty cool.
There you go. I'm not going to kill you, buddy. Look at how beautiful that little perch
And that's
is.
saying a lot. There's not too many of them he doesn't kill.
Go, buddy. Oh, he's gone like a flash. Hey, more bait. Here you go, Marco.
You're getting soft, Dave. You're fucking feeding the cats.
Oh my God. Throwing fish back. Woo! More bait.